If you want to be a data analyst, you need to know how to use a pivot table. Even if your company doesn't rely on Excel a whole lot, as a data analyst, you should at least know what a pivot table is and how to use it. So let me show you. So for this example, I'm just going to be using data containing inventory about cupcakes from a bakery. So just to familiarize you with the data a little bit, there are 3 different types of cake flavor. There are 4 different types of frosting flavor. It tells you whether or not the cupcake has sprinkles, and there are small and large cupcakes. So if I want to create a pivot table with this data, all that I'm going to do is highlight all of the data and go over to Insert, and there's either pivot table or recommended pivot tables. I'm just going to be using pivot table for this example. This box will pop up. I have new worksheet selected, and I'm just going to click OK. So this is what your pivot table is going to look like when you first start. You'll notice that you have all of your column headers listed over here under field name. So the first thing I'm going to do is take my field name cake flavor and drag it over into rows. And you'll notice that my 3 different types of cake flavor are listed over here. If I want to see how one of my other fields compares to cake flavor, I can take, for example,